Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. In this video, I will make a very easy and healthy meat and milk dish. I soaked frozen beef with bones in water the night before, and in the morning, the meat is slightly free of blood and is waiting for me in a clean state. As you can see, the ice hasn't thawed yet. Now I'm going to stir the meat a little and wash it. Of course, it is also possible to wash meat by boiling it. If you already have thawed meat with bones on hand, boil it and change the water so you do not have to wait overnight. After pouring out the bloody water, I will wash the meat 2 or 3 times under tap water, turning it around a little. If you use beef shank tail or neck to make this dish, it will taste very good. I fill the deep pot completely with water. The meat will be boiled here for 4 to 5 hours. I follow the boiling level of the meat and it is necessary to remove the foam that forms on it. It is very important to get foam to be clean. Sometimes there may be cow hairs in the meat. The hairs wait in this foam and when you pick it up, you will be saved. I mix it back and forth to make the foam thicken and now I take the foam and throw it away. If foam forms again, it must be taken again. To peel the garlic, I press it a little and it peels easily. A meal with lots of garlic will be good. I peel the small onions and prepare them so that I can add them to the dish without chopping them. Meat with bones continues to boil over medium heat. I stir it occasionally so that the marrow and collagen tissues inside the bones mix with the water. Here I have wheat that I soaked in cold water the night before. I add the wheat to the strainer. I use the type of wheat used in making ashura. Wheat, onion, garlic, butter, milk. Meat with bones. There are not many ingredients. It is simple, but I can say that it is a healthy and delicious dish. I add a large pan. I add butter. Use original butter if you can find it. Wait until the butter is browned and stir. After the butter is browned, add the wheat without water. I add onions. I add garlic. Now I'm roasting some wheat with a big wooden spoon. I add salt. I add the broth of meat with bones that has been boiling for 4 hours. I add the fat from the meat into the bowl and then add it to the food. it will be a slightly juicy meal, but it will only be bone broth and the wheat will be cooked for 2 hours. When the meat is ready to separate from the bones, I take it out of the water. Now we need to sort the meat. I separate the bones nicely. The shiny areas you see are collagen tissues. These meats are extra delicious. Now I prepare the meat pieces by shredding them a little smaller with my hand. While the wheat is boiling, I slowly add 1 liter of cold milk and continue to stir all the time. Now I add boneless meat pieces. I think there was too much meat. What do you think? It's a very simple and healthy meal. Now I add the food to the container in which it will be served, and I advise you to make this easy dish. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.